This is the prototype for the first blouse for Tien, and it's a good way to check for fit. I'm very pleased with the fit, except I do see one thing. The dart actually ends here, and I think we could pull this dart back about 1/2 inch. Now let's see the back. We have the Peter Pan style collar. The back, I wanted this blouse to be somewhat loose, but it's a little bit too baggy in the back. I would think the darts in the back would give her a little more shape and just look a little bit better. So turn this way just a fraction. What I'm going to do is basically pin dartage and then go to the table, change my pattern, and cut out the final blouse, which will be linen. Again, this is supposed to be a fairly loose fitting blouse, so I'm not going to make it terribly tight. Just needs a little more shaping across the back. Next, I will transfer these changes to the paper pattern and then cut the linen and sew her blouse. And we'll have a final look at the blouse when it's complete.